Here we have a 2009 Honda Civic I-VTEC Type R GT. Now this vehicle comes with the 18-inch silver alloy wheels. We also have the red Brembo brake calipers just behind, which contrasts nicely with the crystal black paintwork. We also have the red Honda logo just in the centre of the grille there. Walking around to the passenger side, you find that we have the colour-coded door mirrors with the brushed metal handles and the fuel filler cap as well. The black trim around the windows. We also have the Type R stickers just on the side there as well. We have the rear spoiler. As we walk around to the back, you find the dual exhaust as well. We have the Type R badging as well just at the rear, as you can see. And walking back round to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, inside of here you find that we have the Alcantara interior. We have the black and red, the Type R sports seats at the front, which are very nice looking seats indeed. Two seats at the back as well with the fixed ISO points, as you can see. Folding that seat back forward and going on across onto the doors, you find the electric windows. We also have the electric mirrors as well. We have the engine start button just there. We have the auto wipers and the auto lights as well. Digital dashboard, as you can see. We also have a multifunctional steering wheel just there. We have the radio where you find the FM and AM radios. We have the CD and the auxiliary with the MP3 compatibility as well. The 6-speed manual gearbox just there. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.